My name is Meagen McNeely. I am the head of customer success here at Warehouse Anywhere. During my time at this company, I've held various positions within our fulfillment department, and I feel like that has helped me gain the knowledge to help our businesses grow and streamline their processes. Working directly with the owners of these companies gives us the capabilities to help them in ways that other large fulfillment centers may lack. Warehouse Anywhere supports an array of merchants in many different verticals. I believe that our individualized success plans, awareness of their brand and what that really means to them, as well as being directly available, makes us feel like we're a part of their team. Our customer success team is there from the inception of the relationship, and we remain active with them throughout their journey. Being able to walk them through the process that we have here at Warehouse Anywhere really does bring me a lot of happiness. I can see the relief that they have coming to us. It really has been so rewarding to see these businesses take off once they partner with us.